Hello, everyone. Back with an IRS tax refund update. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at several ongoing issues, including those still encountering error messages when checking their refund status results. Also, some troubling news for some of those who are still waiting on their refunds, who have requested help from the taxpayer advocate, and what they now need to do to get that refund, which is going to lead to even further delays. Also, we've received reports of a second significant refund batch scheduled for release this week, so we'll check in on that. And if you recently sent in correspondence or requested documents to the IRS, why some of you may be waiting until January for a response. Now, starting off with developing news, as another tax refund batch is scheduled to be released and transmitted to taxpayers on August 5th. This latest batch consists of e-filers from the months of January, February, and March, paper filers from January to early March, and amended filers from the month of February. For those of you receiving direct deposits, allow up until August 10th to receive. Those paper filers will need to allow up until September 2nd to receive theirs. Refund status results on the IRS website in a number of cases continues not to display the most up-to-date information, so do check your tax transcripts as seen here to confirm if you're part of this latest refund batch. Turning to the ongoing problem reported by a number of our viewers over the last week, which is encountering this refund status error message when checking their refund status results online, indicating the information does not match, when in fact you did enter the correct information. Now, for you paper filers, this is not a glitch and is a message you should expect to be seeing. Now, this message is expected because the IRS does not log your tax returns into the system until the day they start physically processing your return. Once processing has begun of your actual return, you will no longer encounter the error message, but instead your refund status results will look like one of these seen here. Now, if you're an e-filer and seeing this error message, do confirm that your return was accepted by the IRS when you originally filed. And you can do so by using the tax filing software, which will give you the tax return status. Secondly, identify any updates on your tax transcript. At this point, it is suggested to reach out to the taxpayer advocate, but do not send in a duplicate tax return unless advised to do so. One of our ongoing recommendations for those still waiting for their refunds is to reach out to the taxpayer advocate service for assistance. We've had a number of instances where our viewers were finally able to get a resolution to their issue. Now, though they will not be able to assist every case, if you've not done so already, please try to do so. Now, as confirmed by this letter, a taxpayer was able to get assistance resolving the hold on their 2020 tax refund from the TAS. However, the TAS was also able to advise this taxpayer that in order to receive their 2021 refund, they must amend their taxes due to an error on their original return. Now, while it did give this person an answer, it also unfortunately confirmed what we've been seeing more of lately is taxpayers have been advised to amend their tax returns in order to see that refund. Now, for some impacted who have not made any attempt to seek assistance so far, they're not even aware they may need to file an amended return to see that refund, so it is important to at least reach out to the TAS or Congressional Representative's Office to attempt to identify if there is a specific reason for your refund hold. As the backlog continues on at the IRS for those who sent in any correspondence or requested items to them over the course of the last month, they can now expect to be waiting up until January for a response, as confirmed by the IRS in this letter received by one of our viewers. So keep in mind, while we've seen some significant progress over the last few weeks, there's much more work to go. Staffing levels are still way below normal operating levels, which are playing one part of these ongoing issues. Let us know in the comment section below what problem you're currently experiencing and when and how you filed that tax return. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.